So
So,
people always say that. I mean, that was the whole point of the entire SMO model, which was we will add efficiencies. The result, I think this is why SMOs landed up getting a bad name, was that it landed up become a bureaucracy. How did you prevent the bureaucracy?
so we don't get involved in the operations.
Okay.
So we're bookended, right? So we do all the upfront.
Yeah.
And then we do all the back end. So all the claim adjudication and all the financial reconciliation, all that stuff. And then we help with it in the middle. But
Okay.
when you start trying to embed your own staff or start dictating to a clinic or a hospital, you must do these things this way, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work well. And it's very hard to, especially say, I mean, we just have 5 sites, right? But they're in 5 different states.
Right.
Just trying to get, kind of something standardized, it's really hard. So we just don't get into the operations. We say, okay, it's your trial. Now, either you enroll or you don't. We're going to report out the financials. We're going to give you all of that, but we can't get into the weeds in terms of how you operationalize that trial at the site. Because they have, different doctors, they have different, different states have different rules. Some places nurses can input orders, some places they can't. Some places it have, the pharmacists have to be more involved, some places they don't. So we stay out of those things. We provide all of this infrastructure and support. Now, if they need somebody, we can help them find somebody. But we're not going to dictate how things happen at the site level. Train them, support them, do all of that, but just not get into that weeds. And I think that was, part of the issue is that if you try to go in and then start changing the processes and the workflows that they've already laid out themselves, I think that is not a recipe for success.